Hey there and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the forced BitLocker encryption during the Windows 11 installation. So once you get to this screen during the Windows 11 setup process, you need to do the following. Press Shift and F10 together on your keyboard. That will open the command prompt. On some laptops, you might have to press Shift, the function key, and F10 together to open the command prompt. Once it's open, type the following command and press Enter. That will open the Task Manager. Now click on Run New Task. Type the following command. Check this box and press Enter or click on OK. Now you need to navigate to the following registry key. This registry key controls the BitLocker settings for the entire computer. Once you're here, right-click on the empty white space and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Now call it PreventDeviceEncryption and press Enter. Once it's created, double-click on it and change the value from 0 to 1 and click on OK. Now you can close all of the open windows and go through the setup process like you always do. Once you get to the desktop and have a look at the BitLocker settings, you'll see that it's turned off. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.